What's going on, family? Peace, blessings, love, and light to you. It's your boy Craig Breeze, co-founder of Nu Money. Today, we're going to be talking about how I can make money with Bitcoin. A lot of people have been asking me this golden question. It's a beautiful question, and I have a beautiful answer for you in the form of this mini course. How can I make money with Bitcoin? Let's jump into it. The mini course here is designed to teach you the basic four principles of ways people are earning money with Bitcoin, other popular cryptocurrencies, and ICOs, which are initial coin offerings. Lesson 1 through 5 lists all of the points that we're going to be touching on. So let's jump straight into it. First things first, what is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital currency in which encryption techniques are used to regulate the generation of the units of currency and verify transfer of funds, operating independently of a central bank. Okay, now if you can't understand or overstand what that means, to break it down simply for you, it's just a fully digital form of money. That's all cryptocurrency is. That's all it will ever be. Okay, it's just that simple. Just a digital form of money. Now, I know a lot of us are very familiar, and obviously this course is entitled Encompassing Bitcoin, but there are 1,300 plus cryptocurrencies in circulation worldwide. In fact, 1,326. So Bitcoin is not the only one, and I want to get you guys hip to that so that you don't get caught up in just one lane. Okay, cryptocurrency is a very, very widely used market. It changes, grows every single day. There are new assets being created. So understand that this market is going to continue to grow, so it will behoove you to open yourself to the knowledge that it will bestow upon you as opposed to just focusing on Bitcoin. Okay, all right. So every cryptocurrency has a purpose. Cryptocurrencies are overseen by their founders by way of a document called a white paper. This describes the cryptocurrency's purpose, the use of funds raised, the number of tokens they're going to put in circulation, and any other info the founders deem pertinent for their investors to know. People like me and you would need to read this white paper document to know whether or not we want to invest into a cryptocurrency, whether it would revitalize our communities or aid in some technological advancement or what have you, you would want to know. And while most cryptos are actually incepted to raise funds for technological advancements and products, others are based in textiles, commodities, and humanitarian efforts like ours here at Nu Money. All right, Nu Money is a humanitarian effort. We're here to revitalize the black and brown communities with business, with commerce. All right. But why are these cryptocurrency things, why are they becoming so popular? That's the real question, okay? And it's because, especially in the United States, of inflation, okay? The United States dollar is inflated beyond repair by way of politics, unequal representation within those politics, the centralized world banking system that has limited our people and that has had us walking with shields on our eyes uh, into their banks, into their institutions, unequal wealth distribution in the states, as well as our widely known United States debt crisis, right? We're in so much debt, it's up to our noses, and the US government is trying to roll that debt off onto the American people, causing inflation of the dollars that we use every single day. The only way that our country and our personal pockets can rebound from something like inflation is by using an alternative source of currency. That's why cryptocurrency is becoming more and more popular since 2009 when Bitcoin was created. All right. So people like to ask how cryptocurrencies are valuable in themselves. How does the value rise and fall? And here's the textbook definition. Uh, there are three key points that deem anything valuable. Any currency's potential to decrease transaction cost, which would make way to valuable trading, would deem that currency valuable. Any currency that holds a risky day trading forex position, meaning that its exchange rate would appreciate against a fiat currency, which is something like the US dollar or the euro, uh, so that you can pocket the gains. That makes a currency valuable. And three, the ability it would have to democratize a geopolitical finance, which means if that cryptocurrency can, let's say Nu Money, For instance, our goal is to raise $12 billion to revitalize the Black community by creating 14 different businesses in industries that Black people have had no ownership within. Okay? Let's say we reach our goal. And in that, we in turn go into the Black and brown communities and hire brothers and sisters to work in all of these 14 massive companies. That creates jobs, that creates opportunities for wealth, that creates a lot of opportunity that makes that would then make Nu Money valuable to the Black and brown community. Okay, so read over these notes. Try to watch the video a few times. I know it's gonna catch you by surprise, a lot of this info, but try to understand, not just understand what you're reading. Try to understand. So read it a few times, watch the video a few times. Okay. The things that you'd expect to make fiat currency like the USD or euro or cryptocurrency valuable are probably wrong. We usually think it's the cost of production, the law, the beliefs that we have, the work that went into creating it, the electricity that's used to mine cryptocurrency or mint paper money, the user base, being that the entire country uses US dollars, and all other objectifications still do not create value. A currency's value is subjectively in our minds, not objectively from nature. Nature gives us nothing that is valuable. We, in turn, deem things valuable. Okay? That's what that means. So, getting into the 4 ways that people are making money these days, many new cryptos are in their ICO phase, introducing platforms that allow their users to combine the passive earnings of lending, staking, mining, and trading their coins, their cryptocurrency in one place without needing the technical skill that was once required to do all 4 of these things. Okay? So let's talk about it. Let's look at a few. Here are a few simple screenshots of a few of these platforms, just so you guys know that it's real. And these 4 platforms are some of the ones that I may be introducing all of you to. So I just want you to see these quick snapshots so you know that it's real. These platforms are real. I'm not making this stuff up and trying to take your money. I want you to create wealth for yourself. I don't want any of your money. All right. So let's talk about it. Lending. When you're lending to a crypto trading platform, let's be clear. Let's be concise here. You are not applying for a loan. Neither are you lending your coins or tokens or your crypto to other people. Your funds are actually being lent back to the ICO for them to trade on your behalf based on the ICO secret weapon. And all these ICOs have the same. All of these that have trading platforms have the same secret weapon. It's called trade volatility software. Volatility is only the changes in a price of a commodity over time. So literally these platforms will trade your investment for you, allowing participants to earn an average of 1% ROI, return on investment, daily through a passive trading system that requires minimal skill to manage. All right, it's that simple. So staking in itself is the practice of holding a cryptocurrency literally until it rises in value. This process is called proof of stake minting. And the more coins you hold in a wallet, the more you stand to reap staking rewards. Now, some high stake tokens are offering holders the opportunity to stake their tokens after holding them for a minimum of 15 days. So you only have to hold some of these platforms say that you only have to hold the coins for 15 days at a time, at minimum, I should say. And if you continue to hold those coins beyond 15 days, you would have a potential 120% return per year on the staking of your tokens. All right. So, folks, this is an insanely lucrative system that we're embarking on. Okay. And mining was one of the hardest ways to make money with cryptocurrencies back when Bitcoin hit in 2009. But let's explain. This process is actually mining itself is the processing of transactions that are made on blockchains for any cryptocurrency by way of a network of computers. Computers they share information between each other to complete these transactions, and that information is represented by some encrypted numbers and letters. Once those transactions are processed, the people that own those computers actually receive a small portion of whatever the amount was that was transacted through their computer. And at the same time, their computer also creates a new unit of that cryptocurrency so that other people can then, in turn, go and buy more of it. This process used to cost early Bitcoin miners, like I said, an arm and a leg. Number one, you had to buy mining equipment that attached to a computer, and then you had to worry about electricity bills being ridiculously high because it took a lot of power to mine. So these new platforms, these new crypto trading platforms, are now automating even this process and outsourcing its resources needed to allow maximum earning potential. Okay, folks, just keep plugging in with me, keep listening, keep watching, and I implore you guys, watch these videos. Sometimes I'm going through it quickly, but you're gonna have to pause this, take notes too. Okay, if you're really looking to understand and overstand this thing, take notes. All right, take it slow, watch the video a couple times. All right, now last but not least, trading is the act of trading rather is the act of trading cryptocurrency is the exchange of value in one digital asset, transferring that value into another digital asset. Trading cryptocurrencies takes place on two types of exchanges: centralized and decentralized exchanges. A decentralized exchange is ideal, and it's because they allow people to trade from their personal wallet. A centralized exchange is something like a bank, where it requires you to deposit the funds that you want to trade into an account that that exchange actually owns. And this limits you because you have your potential profit margins reduced, and it limits the ease of access to your funds so that you can use them to pay bills and to go grocery shopping, because you can use cryptocurrencies in everyday life. As you continue to learn and grow with me, I will share all of this info with you guys. Okay. But new trading platforms are constructing their own internal decentralized exchanges, allowing users to stake, trade, lend, and mine within one platform, minimizing transaction fees, accidental loss of funds, and improving wallet security across all these platforms. So it's actually getting to be a lot easier to maximize your earnings and make money using Bitcoin. Now, a lot of people want to know how to even get Bitcoin. A lot of you guys have local Bitcoin ATMs in your area. You literally probably don't even know that they're there. So just go to Google, type in Bitcoin ATM near me. You will probably find that there's one close by. And if you don't have one, there are plenty of online mediums. The largest online medium here that a lot of people in the US use is Coinbase. So you can go to Coinbase, you will be able to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, the three major cryptocurrencies right there on Coinbase. Okay. Now I have some other resources for you to be able to purchase cryptocurrencies from as well: Gemini, Itbit, Bitstamps, Local Bitcoins, OKCoin, and Bitfinex.com are all great websites. They're easy to navigate. You can create an account and buy your cryptocurrencies right within their exchanges. So it's really easy to use. I definitely suggest using one of those online mediums if you cannot find a Bitcoin ATM. Okay. But most importantly, I tell people, do your own research. Just because Bitcoin is the most popular or the most valuable doesn't mean that that's the only cryptocurrency you should invest in. You should also invest in the cryptocurrencies that, like I said earlier, directly affect an area of your life, whether it's technology, science, education, in financial services. If this is something that you know would exponentially improve the quality of your life, invest in it. New Money is here for the Black and brown community. Invest in it if you want to revitalize the community you live in. If you like to smoke marijuana, you will probably want to invest in the pot coin. So, these are just some examples for you guys to follow, okay? Don't get so caught up in one track mindedness, okay? Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency. It's not the only one that is making people money. There are crazy platforms. I just showed you guys four of them, and none of those platforms were Bitcoin themselves. You can use Bitcoin to invest into them, but there are lots of other assets out here worth a lot of money, and you can definitely be ahead of the curve by doing your own research. Coincheckup.com, this is just a screenshot from their site. You can go here to do some analysis, get some predicted estimated earnings on these cryptocurrencies, just to help you understand how to invest. All right. But lastly, you guys, if you're interested in investing in the passive crypto trading platforms, contact me. Or if you're on YouTube right now, click the links in the description of this video. I'm Craig Breeze on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat, so I'm not hard to find. But this money is not going to be hard to find either if you get involved now. So let's get it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.